Hello YouTube, and this is my bike check. For my frame, I got the Mutiny Lucifer. Best frame out there, I think. My headset, I got the Kink one, the cheap one. For my stem, I got the Animal Remix. For my bars, I got the Glamroids, the Mutinies. For my forks, I got the Odyssey Directors, so strong, never will break. My front rim is the Animal RS. It's pretty decent. To an Odyssey Vandero 2 with a Gland front hubguard and an Aaron Ross front tire. I got the Kink Sexton seat. It's comfy. Down here I got the Stolen Team cranks with the shadow pedal sealed and a Cult member sprocket with a shadow half link. My favorite chain. Back here I got the Shadow Conspiracy wheel, left hand drive. I don't really recommend these wheels. They are not good. I got the Animal GLH tire with the FBM hub guard and 2 Odyssey JPEGs. That's my bike check.